Could it be one of the best tyre cleaners on the market? I don't really see that much dirt be drawn out. Good, I'm actually really impressed with that. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be testing out this tyre cleaner. I think you can use many products to do everything. There's products that can do the tyres all in one. But this is a standalone tyre cleaner from Wake Me Detailing. It is called Footballers and you get this brush with it, which is quite neat. So I'm going to test it out and I'm going to see how good it is. So before we can see how good this product actually performs, so you have to actually wet the tyre first, and then you need to wet your brush and then apply the product to the tyre and let that dwell for around 30 seconds. So I've just applied the product as you've seen. It gives you some instructions on the actual bottle, so you'd see me rinsing the wheel first. It asks you to do that. It actually says that you need to spray this on and leave for about 20 to 30 seconds. My tyres never get overly dirty. I clean the car quite regularly, as you know, and I put a nice dressing on it just to protect the tyre. I guess when we apply the brush we will know, but first, the smell of it is really, really nice. The lemony scent from it, yeah, it smells really, really nice. Packaging's nice, as you can see. You get this brush with it, which I think is a really, really nice touch. Nice quality handle, soft bristles. It looks really good quality. So let's actually scrub this wheel, this tyre, and let's see what sort of dirt we get out of it. So as you will see, it's really, really drawing the dirt out of that tyre. And that's quite impressive because when I've used tyre cleaners before, I don't really see that much dirt be drawn out. And these tyres, I normally clean them. When I clean my car, I don't really get that much dirt coming from them like that. So that's quite impressive. And the brush, the quality of the brush, it's really soft. It's a nice size for the tyre, and it's soft. Even if you catch on the alloys, it's not going to damage the alloys because it's super soft, but it gives enough clean. It really does draw out that dirt. Look at that. Bubbles up nicely. Look at that dirt coming out. Really, really good. Really drawing out that dirt. Really good tyre cleaner. Just a few sprays on the tyre. That's going to last a good amount of time. You get a brush with it. I think that's really good value for money, to be honest, in my opinion. That is really good. So let's rinse this tyre off and let's see sort of the finish that you get from the tyre afterwards. So yeah, what I've done is rinsed the tyre off and I've actually dried it with a cloth just to see the natural finish, and it looks, I mean, super clean. It gives a really, really good clean to the tyre. It's really, really clean. Good, I'm actually really impressed with that. This is probably one of the best tyre cleaners on the market, so definitely recommend going out and getting this, guys. You'd be impressed with it. So that's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's just a quick demonstration of using this tyre cleaner from Wake Me Detailing. Great product. Really, really impressed with it. Has really good cleaning capabilities. Cleaned the tyre really good. Just gave a really nice finish to the tyre. Probably the best I've seen on this car. I will test this out further on more dirtier tyres and just give a bit more opinion on it. If you haven't even had a look at Wake Me Detailing products before, definitely go and check out some of their products because some of them are really good. Highly recommend this one, and I highly recommend their wax. The Gladiator wax is a superb wax. I'm really, really impressed with that one as well. I've had that for a long time now and I can say that's a really top wax. So hopefully you like this video.